Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it because the ARCHOS device gives us the other modes only to record the slow motion. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply sliding to the left to the camera family. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the slow motion here. Here we are, we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button. So let me start to show you how it works. Now stop. And let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. We can play it by tapping on the center like that. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.